Welcome back to Anthony Lee Raw. Just a quick update, and I have good news on FLUX. Go ahead and thumbs up the video or thumbs down it. I'm going to continue to do regular altcoin updates, but I have to be selective. So the more thumbs up I get, I will keep a video in the rotation. If I don't get many thumbs up or if I get a lot of thumbs down, I'm going to remove the video and we'll never do another update on it again. So if you want to keep FLUX in the rotation, hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. Also, we would love to have you guys. I'm looking at FLUX currently on the 3-day time frame. Looking back here at the channel on our videos, you can see right here, FLUX 100% pump incoming. See that? See that? I gave this video about a week ago. We were looking for this move, and here it comes, guys. If I zoom in a little bit, you can see FLUX is currently up about 7% on the day, guys. About 7%. Actually, up about 10% on the day. Sorry about that. This is on the 3-day time frame. Sorry. Up about 10-11% on a 3-daily time frame. We just got a buy signal on the 3-daily time frame that fired off, guys. I have it highlighted over here with the circle the last time we got this signal. And upon confirmation, FLUX pumped 210%. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen again, but we are currently under that buy signal. I gave you this on the weekly time frame. I showed the weekly bullish divergence that it's set in for FLUX here. I'll show it to you again. You got weekly bullish divergence coming down, making a lower low in price action and higher low in the momentum wave. Right there, you see that. I know it was drawn very nastily, but you can see what I'm talking about. Right at value area low, guys. Not only that, the indicator right here, I'm going to highlight for you on the bottom. That is Bjorn. It is an indicator you can only get here at AnthonyLeeRaw.com. You can get it for free in the VIP Discord, or click on over to AnthonyLeeRaw.com. I'll post a link in the comments below, and you can get your indicator right here. You can also join the VIP Discord. This is the best indicator in the world, and I don't really care if you buy it or not. I really don't. I'm just telling you it is super powerful. Let's go back and take a look. We are getting on the 3-daily time frame for FLUX, 2-daily time frame, I'm sorry, you're attempting to get volatility expansion. What that means is this multicolor line here. Pay attention, guys. This is important. You can make a ton of money with this. This multicolor line, that's volatility. When it heads down, that means things are kind of slow. Depending on the time frame, 2-day time frame is a high time frame. You know, in the 1 minute, this may not take very long to get down, but on the 2-day, it's very powerful and it takes a while. When it ticks back to the upside, and especially when it crosses this orange line right here, which is 15%, you get volatility expansion. That is when your major moves come in, okay? Let's zoom back out and take a look at the last time. It doesn't mean you're going to the upside whenever you get that. When it does expand to the upside, price heads in the direction of stochastic, which is the dark gray line. I'm going to show you what I mean. The last time you got volatility expansion was right here, right? You see that? And stochastic was headed to the downside right there. So we'll see what kind of move we got. And let's trace. I know it's a little scribbly at the bottom. Let me clear that up for you. And you can see volatility expansion occurred right here. And then I'm going to get to the point, guys. I know I'm kind of dragging this thing out. Sorry. FLUX got a big old move down, a total of about 17%, okay? Let's look for the last time you got volatility expansion to the upside right here. Right there. Fired off. Got the big move to the upside by FLUX. Was about a 62% move to the upside, guys. So we are attempting to get volatility expansion now. Now, this will not confirm until today's close. So we'll wait till the end of the day today and see if we get expansion like that. If stochastic stays positioned to the upside, you can expect a big move to the upside, which will go with our 2-daily buy signal. Let's look on the daily time frame. Let me clear it up a little bit here. Daily buy signal, not daily buy signal, daily Bjorn has ticked to the upside, so volatility is picking up. Stochastic is also headed in the upside, so we are looking for a big move up on FLUX here. Let's see what other time frames, and I'm just flying through this. I was so excited whenever we got this signal fire off. I just had to come to you real quick. Let's look at the 5-day, 3-day, 2-day, 18-hour, ticking to the upside, everything to the upside here. So business is picking up for FLUX. It looks good. We're expecting a big move. We did have the 3-day ticking up a minute ago, but it has since ticked back to the downside, but that's okay. If price comes back up, you'll see this tick right back to the upside. So we're looking for a big move up on FLUX. I can't tell you how big, but I think I have targets on here. Sorry, I'm really on the fly here, guys. I am really on the fly. If we had to just simple fib this, guys, I would look for a target somewhere around that golden pocket, if not a little bit higher, somewhere around the 7-cent flux, guys, something like that. I can show you my full chart, tokenomics, market cap, retrace level, key levels. You got a key level up here at 8.5 cents. I would look for first stop to be 7 cents, guys. Next stop, I do think you come retest this key level at 8.5 cents. That's where we turned around last time. And of course, if you can flip that, I'm looking for a 15-cent flux. But for now, first stop is 7 cents. I think we probably get there within the next 2 weeks. We'll see how things go. We will wait and get confirmation, though. We need confirmation. Confirmation will come at the daily close today. So I wanted to get you this video out before that, but we did put this out about a week ago or so when price was down here. We told you to expect this big move up, and since we put out that video, price is up about 14%. So join us here. Get the Bjorn indicator, AnthonyLeeRaw.com. That's how you can predict these moves in advance and take advantage of these big moves. We have done it in Discord. As a matter of fact, I'll show you in Discord. I did put this in Discord right here. I said Flux is about to catch folks off guard in the next few weeks. Remember, I said this, guys. We were still headed down when I said this. No, nothing had fired off. We were looking at the weekly Flux. Bjorn had ticked to the upside, so we were able to predict this move 10 days ago. And since we're up 14%, guys, post it in the VIP Discord. Join us. We would love to have you. AnthonyLeeRaw.com. I will see you guys next time.